Recording. Yes, yes, yes. A warm morning, my dear students of class 7. And of course, today we will complete future tense. We have come to know about simple future tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect tense. So only one is left, that is future perfect continuous tense. Okay. So before that, let us have one simple task. It is for everyone. Okay. So I'm going to write sentences and you have to identify the tense. Clear? Okay, I hope all of you are ready. So just show me your thumb if you are ready. Okay. No need to unmute right now. Okay. Then I will ask to unmute yourself, then only you will do. Okay. I hope
Sir,
board
voice
is
is
clear.
coming so low.
Yes, Yashita.
Voice is coming so low.
Because I'm little far from the mic. Okay. The concept, I mean, the task is clear. Okay. So now you have to watch.
Sir, sir, say one time board.
I'm going to write few sentences on whiteboard, and you have to find the tense. Got it? You have to find out the tense which
Yes,
tense
sir.
it is. Okay. Nice.
Sir,
So
in the chat.
you should write these sentences in your copy. I would like to suggest you. Uh, you know, it will be a good practice. I asked you to frame sentences, and you faced problem. So write down the sentences. Okay, in your copy also. Okay. So let us start then. Identify the things. Board is clear, I hope. Okay, now it is much clear.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, the sentence is, it is long sentence, but if you have understood the structure, then you will be able to give right answer. Okay, so let me write the second sentence, and you should copy it very fast.
सर आपकी स्क्रीन अटक रही है।
Yes.
तो स्क्रीन एकदम क्लियर है।
नो सर, आपकी स्क्रीन अटक रही है सर।
No, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Okay. Now, I think it is clear. And all of you are muted because if you speak, then screen shuffles. So that I need to make it clear. That's why I have to do yourself. Muted you all. Okay. So there are four sentences, and you need to identify the tense. So don't make mistake. I hope you have written the sentences. Okay. Next time when I will ask you to frame sentences, you should do instant. Okay. Okay, it is not like that. Okay, sir, give me 2 minutes. I will frame a sentence. No, that is not done. You you have to be ready always. Clear? Okay. So if I ask you, to frame sentences instantly, you must say 2 or 3 sentences at a stretch. Clear? Okay, so if you are sending answer through chat box, so you have to send all the answers in one go. Adi Jain, okay, I have got answer, all the answers in a single message from Divya. Okay, let me see whether your answers are correct or not. Okay, Divya, okay. Okay. So Divya, you have scored 3 out of 4. Okay. Only one mistake. 3 out of 4. Adi Jain, I can see that you are doing something else. You are not focused in the class. Unmute yourself. Adi Jain.
My sister is disturbing me.
Tell me the answer. Tell me the answer. First one, which tense? Unmute yourself. Adi Jain. Okay, I have got answer from Yashita also. Okay, Yashita. 3 out of 4. You, Divya and Yashita, both you have got 3 out of 4. Parshva, I have got your answer, and I hope. Yes, yes, yes. Correct. Parshva, 4 out of 4, 100%. Piyush, Adi, you have to send all the answers in one message. Don't send again and again. Hmm. Okay, let me allow you to unmute yourself. And now, if I ask you to
I send.
yes, Piyush.
Sir, I have sent. Chat.
Okay.
Sir,
Let me see.
sir,
Who is there? Dhairya.
सर मेरा मैसेज सेंड ही नहीं हो रहा है, पिछले क्लास में भी सेंड नहीं हुआ था.
Beta, there is problem in your voice. Can you repeat?
सर मेरा मैसेज सेंड नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay, you tell me. You tell me the answer. First one,
प्रेजेंट टेंस.
present tense. Very nice. Second one,
Sir, is it present?
I don't don't be surprised, Yashita.
सर मैं आपको थोड़ी देर में
It
Sir,
happens.
बता रहा
but
हूँ.
there is
Yes,
Sir,
Piyush.
there is will. Sir, there is will. And not ing form. So there is simple present, simple future tense.
Exactly. Very good, Piyush. So you have understood.
सर आई हैव आल्सो सेंड द.
Okay. Let me see. I have got answer from Yashita, Divya. Okay. Now, Yashita, your answers are correct. Okay. Yes, anyone is there who wants to say the answers? Vedant, Piyush तो बोल रहा है. Vedant, Neil, भाई कहाँ हो सब? Are you
One
sleeping?
is continuous tense.
Navya,
Sir, can I see the answers?
Navya Bagrecha. Just a minute, बेटा. सबको बोलना है ना?
Sir, how must I
Yes,
I
sir.
get
Piyush, you
sir?
have you have sent me in different parts. If you can send it in one message, then I can tell you.
सर माइन.
Yes, Neil.
सर मैंने भी आपको भेजा है.
Who is that? Bhavya.
यस सर.
भव्य जैन अपने प्रोफाइल में फ्री फायर डाले हो. लेट मी सी. भव्य
कैसे पता चला?
सर यहाँ पे ठीक कर रहा है भव्य का.
भव्य, you have got 2 out of 4. Okay. 2 are wrong answers. 2 are right. Okay. So now let us see the right answer, and of course we need to get the logic also. Why it is so? Why it is? I mean, you need to justify the answer also. Okay. Here is one of my friends will be present in the evening function. Okay. We have the subject. Then will be after will be. देयर इज नो आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, ठीक है। कल भी मैंने बताया था, है ना, yesterday I told you कि after will be, if there is no ing form of verb, that means it is not future continuous tense. Okay.
Sir, I have also sent message.
This is not a verb. Present is not a verb. Okay. So this is simple future tense. Okay. Those who have written simple future tense, right? You can give yourself 1 mark. Next, they will not be treating us bad. Okay. Let us see the structure. Subject A. Okay. इसके बाद will be है. अच्छा. It is a negative sentence. That's why will और be के बीच में क्या है? Not. They will not be treating. Okay. ये हमको मिल गया ing form. ing form of verb, ठीक है। कल जैसे किसी ने कहा था इवनिंग वर्ब है, ये भगवान इवनिंग कैसे वर्ब है। तो treating, treating is a verb, ठीक है। तो subject will be ing form of verb, तो ये क्या बन गया हमारा future continuous tense। Clear? Those
Sir,
who,
correct answer.
those who have written future continuous tense, their answers correct. Okay. Next, third one. I will have reached there by 6:30 p.m. मैं शाम के 6:30 बजे तक पहुंच जाऊंगा। तो यहाँ पर I subject
Perfect future tense.
हो गया। एक बाद हमें क्या दिख रहा है? एक वर्ब दिख रहा है और ये कौन सा फॉर्म है? This is third form. This is third form. Subject है। ये हो गया हमारा फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस। फ्यूचर परफेक्ट में ही क्या लगता है? हैव लगता है और वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म? थर्ड। तो those who have written future perfect,
Sir,
1 mark.
Sir, last one is future continuous tense.
Absolutely correct. My brother will be
Yes,
clear.
sir, my four. Sir, all my
sir,
Sir.
have you continuous perfect continuous future tense?
Last one is future continuous.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I got 3 marks.
I have all right answers.
Oh.
Sir, I have right answers.
Very good, very good. 4 out of 4.
Sir, I got 3 out of 10.
Good. Okay, so the next step is to create sentences, to frame sentences. Clear? This I have given only 4 examples. Okay, I can give more than 1,000.
I have all right answers.
My all answers are correct. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the last tense from future, that is future perfect continuous. So let us have a look. I have shared my screen with you and I have to mute you all. Disable annotation. Okay. So future perfect continuous tense. And you know what? Future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense, they are rarely used. बहुत कम use होता है. However, we should know them. Okay, so here you can see, है ना? You can see that the structure of future perfect continuous tense, subject, then shall have been, will have been. So it is the identification mark of future perfect continuous tense. You have to use shall have been, will have been, then ing form of verb, and then object. Okay. So let us see examples. There are many examples you can see here. I will have been eating. Negative, I will not have been eating. And interrogative, will I have been eating? So see, with the help of one sentence, you can prepare two more sentences. Affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Okay. So this is the last tense from future. Let us see few more examples. Well, there are many examples, and my dear students, you should create more sentences. Okay, here you can see he will have been eating. He will not have been eating. Will he have been eating? ओके सब ईटिंग ईटिंग ही में है और कुछ नहीं लिखा है. हम लोग ईटिंग के जगह में क्या कर सकते हैं? रीडिंग. I will have been reading a story. Okay. Well, there is a task for you. Actually, the exercise work you must do by your own. Like this, question number C. Okay. I have done 3 for you. Rest of the questions you must do in home. This is your homework. Okay. So come back to the future perfect continuous tense. So what you need to do here, change these sentences into the future perfect and future perfect continuous. Use time expression where necessary. Okay. So the first one, I will wait for you. इसको अगर हम लोग फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में बदलना चाहे तो क्या हो जाएगा? I will have been waiting for you. Got it? Let me write. I will have been waiting for you. Okay? So this is called sentence transformation. Sentence transformation. Okay. So I will wait for you. That is, of course, simple future tense, and you have made it future perfect continuous. I will have been waiting for you. Okay. So do it in a home, and time is over. So bye. See you soon. Okay. So you can unmute yourself, and if you want to say something, you can.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye. 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 Good day.
Can we leave the class?
Yes, sure.
Bye bye, sir.